Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the LCD's USB mode and file system compatibility. This determines whether you can read storage or use peripherals. Power down the display, attach a powered USB hub if the device draws over 500 mA, and connect your USB cable to the hub and the LCD port. Once done, power the LCD on and open the input or media menu so the system scans the USB device. Make sure to use short, shielded cables to reduce noise and ensure reliable detection. You now navigate the LCD's media or file browser to access the connected USB device. This is where you select folders and files. Use the remote or touch controls to move through directories and press the play or open command to start media. If video or images fail, check the LCD's supported codecs and formats and switch modes or lower resolution. Sometimes transcoding to a supported format is necessary. Once you confirm playback, tweak aspect ratio and scaling options to match the 16. To finish, always use the LCD's eject or unmount command before removing the USB to avoid file corruption. If the device is not recognized, try another USB port, reformat the drive to FAT32, and reboot the LCD. Firmware updates often add compatibility for newer devices. If problems continue, test the same USB on a PC to rule out drive faults, swap cables, and confirm the powered hub supplies adequate current. One key tip: firmware or driver mismatch is the most common cause. Update when possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.